Today we're replacing my Audi A5 grille. Absolutely clapped. Paint's all coming off. We just took this thing to Florida, and we're going to be putting a RS style grille in, the honeycomb one. And don't worry, not going to be running the RS badge because I'm not that kind of dude. So anyway, we're going to get right into this. No idea what I'm doing, but we'll figure it out as we go. It's kind of gross. It's pretty sick.
Is that a real RS 5?
That?
Yeah.
Look at the engine bay, it'll tell you.
V8.
Okay, so first step, we're going to take off this little piece of plastic. Got a flathead towel because I'm doing things legit here. Alright.
Definitely seen a few YouTube videos or two, eh?
Yeah. Come on, baby. Alright. There's probably a reason there's a little hole right here, but I'm gonna figure that out here in a minute.
Hey, there you go.
Like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing. Take two. Push down. Shit, that broke too. Damn it, I cussed. I'm really working on the cussing, guys. Damn it, that one broke too. You know what? It's alright, I'm gonna make it work. Actually, maybe it didn't break. I think these will just like push in here. Yeah. Next, you guys want to get yourself some star point sockets. Or star points. Two little screws in here, and then pop those out, peel this shit back. Should be 210 mils for the front bumper. Pop those out. Yeah, that's a quick explanation of what we're about to do. Oh, Jesus. Those 10 mils are in a shit spot. You're not recording, are you?
Yeah.
God damn it, I got fucking gusting it. Whoa. Whoa. No.
No.
I don't know whose that is. Next, there's about 4 little bolts about this size that you gotta take out with your nice star point socket. And then hopefully this thing should pop off, I think. Oh, shit. I wish you could just remove words from your vocabulary.
What do you mean?
Like shit.
Oh.
You know?
Yeah.
Are you recording again?
Yeah, dog.
Oh my god. There's also 2, like right next to the headlights. Just rip those off, like so. Save these, put them in a safe spot, like your intake scoop, and then we're gonna rip this thing off. I hope. Yeah, she's coming off. Make sure you guys disconnect these fog lights. Also, huge recommendation, get yourself a Milwaukee power tool, because best in the game, and we're about 10 minutes into this thing and it's almost off and done already. Oh, shit. There's also a plug for this for some odd reason, so don't forget to undo that like I just did. What the heck? Or you can just pull the box off like I just did. Dude, I wonder what this is. In all honesty, what is that? Someone from Audi, please explain. Oh, also, don't forget to undo this cord, like I forgot too. And yeah, your front bumper's off in under 10 minutes. Now let's go take the grill off. Hey guys, so front bumper, obviously we just took off. And I want to know if anyone has an Audi A5 and is watching this video and has done this, if their bash bars look like this, because I don't know, it just doesn't seem like something should normally look beaten in, but I don't know, could be. So just let me know down in the comments, because this is very interesting. Okay, so back to your star point bit. It appears there's a couple screws in here you gotta take out.
Little Torquies.
Yeah, it looks like it. Oh, and then there's a couple down here, and then obviously a ton of clips you have to take out. So yeah. Almost got this thing off. There's a lot of clips for no reason. Should not be this many. I'm at the point of just prying and breaking. And it's working. Great. Got her off.
Oh, dude.
Just used a lot of force and it popped right out. So, now that this one's gone.
Nice, dog.
Yeah, we're gonna put the new one on.
Sick. Yeah, I'll give her a little stomp. Oh, dude, it just flexed.
Got this little thing, should come in your kit, and then comes with a couple screws. You flip this over, which I'm gonna put a towel down before I do it because it's a nice fresh grill. And then you put some screws in here. Should hold in, then you snap your old Audi logo out calmly without breaking it. And then put it all together, and then hopefully it should just snap right in. Put all your screws in, and then be good to go. Okay, that's on. Looks sick. So now let's snap this thing on here. Oh my god. This looks so good. Give him a sneak peek.
Alright.
This little sneak.
Oh, dude. Oh, dude.
That looks sick.
I already gave him the sneak peek, so.
Dang.
Let the wait till it's on.
What a difference. What a difference.
Yeah.
And most importantly, you don't need this. Unless you have an RS, you know?
I mean, dude, I think we throw her on.
Absolutely not. That's like putting an M badge on a non-M.
Nah, dude, that's just more horsepower.
That's rice.
It's not rice.
Okay, gonna put all these bolts back in and throw the front bumper back on. Probably just show you guys the final product of that because I'm sure you get the point on how to do this now.
Nice.
That makes total sense now. Okay, so anyway, front bumper is completely on, right? And then I looked over and noticed this was still on the ground. And I'm not putting it back on. Like, it's just too much work. Gotta take it all off. But anyway, if you guys are doing this, make sure you put this back on, because otherwise you're gonna have your crash bar all exposed, looking all funky. But it's alright. It still looks sick.
Yeah, it looks sick.
So
Put the hood down.
well, I got a couple clips put in, but
Okay.
it'll be good. Okay guys, since the grill is now on, and it's not an RS, it's a Quattro A5, you gotta drive her like it's an RS.
Jesus Christ, dude. Alright.
We're not done.
We're not done, apparently?
No.
Alright.
Gotta drive it like it's an RS. I know a lot of people love this car, and you know, I'm not the biggest fan of it, to be honest, but I'm gonna make content for you guys still while I have it, because it's probably gonna get sold at some point. Don't unsubscribe, but yeah, we're gonna go raid this thing for you guys so you can get some enjoyment. And I'll try and come up with some more Audi videos. So if you guys want to drop some ideas, please feel free.
Gotta hurry though.
Yeah, better hurry. We're stuck in traffic. The rage is on hold. Oh, we're crossing. Little Honda Fit. Yep, there we go. Sometimes she doesn't like second.
Jeez. God damn.
Yeah. She rips. Certified ripper.
I know where to go for the little front end shot. A little bridge.
Oh yeah, we're gonna go somewhere really unique. Show you guys a cool little shot of the front end now that looks all good. So let's go.
Super unique.
Let's rip. Since this car is really not that fast, when you shift, you gotta slam your body back. It just makes it feel like you're going 20 times faster.
Do it.
Alright, hold on. Let me downshift. Let me not do it past these people's house so they don't look, so I don't look like a tool. Even though I'm gonna look like a tool for everyone on YouTube.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah. Nice. Nice. Dude. Absolutely perfect form.
That's some Fast and the Furious stuff right there. Talk about some money shifts.
Nice.
Put me on the drag strip with this thing.
Some good ass form.
You're done.
I don't know. Is this it? Yeah, this is it.
Yeah, this is it. Yeah. Oh, what is it? Yeah, Fat Hill. No flooding today. We're good. Kind of a bummer. I wanted to bring her through when there was a little water.
Be a good shot. Be cute. Nice clap.
Thanks. All right, let's post up. Let's show off this sick Honeycomb RS5 Grille.
Oh, dude, look at that scenery, though. Honestly,
Yep. It's beautiful.
Let's
Where
get-
should we post up?
right here.
Who's this guy think he is, huh?
Right
This
here.
is our photo shoot. I like the log.
The log?
What's this guy?
Oh, there's a log right
This
there.
guy, bro.
What?
This guy stopped.
This guy just stopped on us?
Yeah, what the fuck? Dude, we keep going.
No, just stay right here.
We keep going and
No,
turn
I'm gonna get
around.
out. I want to see what
Oh,
he
there's
wants.
someone coming behind us.
Behind us?
Oh, he's taking a picture.
Of what? Why are we whispering?
Alright, he's off. He's off. Alright, we're good.
Nice. That was weird.
Yeah, we're good. Let's show her off.
Thought we were getting attacked.
I know, I thought we were too. Beautiful. It's true.
Nice, dog.
Look at that.
Pretty sick.
Wow. Can you believe it? Changes the whole look of the car. It's so aggressive. It really shows off the elegant lines. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And let's just end it on this beautiful A5 with this beautiful water rolling in the background and the birds chirping.
Badass.
Amen to that.
Alright, this road's a little dangerous, but we're gonna give her a rip.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Nice.
Oh my god! Got some traction control lights going. Alright, we're gonna slow her down because there could be car. Alright, we're good. This car doesn't have enough sauce for this road.
Good rip.
Alright, that was a nice little rip. Sounded pretty cool, honestly.
Yeah.
Gotta turn her around, head
There's
back.
Tomahawk, dude. Get ready for a Tomahawk vlog.
At some point, we gotta get better golf
Yeah.
first, but yeah.
A lot better.